रखो।
Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are healthy and doing good. Welcome to today's Hindi class. Today day is Sunday and date is 5th July 2020. 5-7-20. So kids, did you practice Hindi Vanmala? Hope you all did writing practice of Hindi Vanmala Ka to Gha. Today we will learn new Vyanjan Anga. But before writing Anga, we will revise our previous Hindi Vanmala Ka to Gha. So children, are you ready? Please children repeat with them, okay? You have to repeat with them, okay? And enjoy this video. And please repeat all the letter and picture with them. Let's enjoy.
Ka se kamal, ka ka ka. Ka se kabutar, ka ka ka. Ka se कटहल, ka ka ka. और का से कलम, का का का. खा से खरगोश, खा खा खा. खा से खरबूजा, खा खा खा. खा से खटमल, खा खा खा. और खा से खीरा, खा खा खा. ग से गमला, ग ग ग. ग से गधा, ग ग ग. ग से गाड़ी, ग ग ग. घ से घर, घ घ घ. घ से घोड़ा, घ घ घ. और घ से घड़ी, घ घ घ.
So children, what is this? This is Ka se Kamal, Ka se Kalam, Kha, Kha se खरगोश, ख से खीरा. ग, ग से गमला, ग से गाजर. ख, घ से घर, हाउस. घ से घड़ी. Okay children, please repeat once more with me. Okay, very good children. Look here children. Ka, ka से कमल, क से कलम. Have you repeated? Yeah, very good. Next letter. ख, ख से खरगोश, rabbit. ख से खीरा, cucumber. Very good. Next letter is G. Next letter is G. G से गमला, G से गाजर, carrot. Very good. Next letter is children घ. घ से घर, house. घ से घड़ी. Very good children. Now today we will learn the 5th letter of our Hindi Vanmala Anga. Which letter is this children? Anga. Anga से nothing, कुछ नहीं, खाली. That's why there is no picture. Can you see? Yes. Anga से कुछ नहीं. Which letter is this children? Anga. Repeat with me. Anga. Which letter children? Anga. Very good. Now children, open your workbook. Today we will write Anga. Can you see children? Anga. Okay. So today date is Sunday and the day is 5th 7/20. Okay. Now here also we will write first. You know what we will write first? Yes. First we will write C dot W. Then we will write date. Today date is 5-7-20. Very good. Now here it's written पढ़ो और likho means there is no picture, no coloring, only we have to write, say and write. We have to say and write. Children, always whenever you are writing, always say and write. Okay children? Very good children. Now first we will write on the dotted line. Okay, can you see the dots children? So as we all know, first we have to trace the dot. I will show you how to trace. Look here children. See, first small standing line, then we will make right curve, left, we will not move out the pencil, left curve, and here can you see 1 2 3 second line. Okay, above the second line there is a small dot, a small circle and a big slipping line. Which letter is this children? This is Anga. Say with me, Anga. Okay, first we will trace. First you will trace the dot line, then standing line, right curve on the second line, one more left curve till here, but we will not touch this line. Okay, and a small circle and slipping line. Okay, one more small standing line, make a right curve, left curve, we will go up, and a small circle slipping line. Very good children. Now this way you will trace all the dots. Now I will show you how to write on the lines. Are you ready children? Very good children. See, can you see how many lines we have? 1 2 3 4 5. But as you all know, we will not touch first line and last line. We will write between the three lines. 1 2 3. Okay children, we will write between the three lines. So first we will write small standing line. Okay children, first we will write small standing line. Then we will give a small right curve. Right curve will curve on the second line. Okay, then one more, one left curve, touch the third line and go little bit up. But when you are going up, don't touch this dotted line. Okay, now here one small circle and slipping line. This circle now children, don't give that much big circle. Okay, this one should be small. See, one more I will show you. Pencil on the second line. Very good. What we will do? We will draw small standing line. Don't draw too much big. Okay, small standing line. Right curve. It will come on the dotted line. Then we will go down. Okay, left curve and slipping line. Is it completed? No, one small circle is missing. See? Okay? Very good. One more you want? Yes, I will show you one more. See children. Small standing line, right curve. This right curve will come on the second line. Left curve, it will touch the third line and it will come little bit up. Okay? Slipping line and here small circle. Okay children, which letter is this? Anga. Whenever you will write, please say and write Anga. Okay, one more I will show you children. See, small standing line, we will make a right curve. It will come on the dotted line and don't move out your pencil. Okay, then we will make one more left curve till here. Left curve will not touch dotted line, slipping line and a small circle. Anga. Okay, so which letter is this children? Anga. This one, whenever you are writing, please say and write Anga. So children, this way you will write Anga. Okay, and always say and write Anga and do practice Vyanjanmala Ka to Anga in your rough notebook. Okay, it will make you perfect. Thank you children. See you in next class. Bye bye.